Hello, how you doing? I hope everything is well with you guys. Yeah, we have been busy in land preparation. We are finally in the planting season, and this is the rain season. So we are glad everything is working. But finally, some farmers do lack farming seeds, like the corn seeds and the groundnuts, plus the beans. Those are the major security foods that farmers need in this planting season, but we don't have any, so we beg that in case of any support towards this planting season, let's try to grow together and support towards ending farming within the community, because the goal is to eradicate poverty, and I call each and everybody to join us in this issue so as we can end hunger together. I hope everything is well, and we continue to call upon that let's engage in this together, because we are to generate farmers income as they have what to eat. So if they don't have what to eat, then hunger is likely to be more alarming within the community. So let's fight hunger together as we build our community. Stay safe and blessed. Have a beautiful weekend. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Ethical Community Farming Organization. All the best to you.